At the AUSA 2022 exhibition, General Dynamics unveiled a new Stryker variant, the Stryker-X, introduced as the new all-purpose squared APC platform of the future. The Pentagon has commissioned the Stryker armor vehicle since 2002, developed on the basis of the Canadian LAV-3 armor vehicle, which is a modernized version of the Swiss Piranha weather vehicle, designed in the 1970s. And now, the Stryker-X will be upgraded with some of the most advanced technologies of its time, such as laser weapons, launching attack drones, and conducting electronic warfare operations. As introduced by General Dynamics Land Systems, StrykerX is applied with a range of new technologies, including advanced artificial intelligence computing, common internet protocol, and open technical standards to support continued long-term innovation as the vehicle moves into the future. Such a modular open system approach will enable the vehicle to add new technology as it arrives. General Dynamics Land Systems has been testing an integrated sensor shooter drone system mounted on the vehicle itself. A small vertical takeoff surveillance drone called the Strike-2. The drone launches from the turret of the vehicle to find and track enemy targets. Then, using a standard video detailing, it can work in tandem with attack missile to destroy the targets it finds. Firing a 5 kW laser, a Stryker vehicle destroys an enemy drone target in prior testing, raising confidence that combat vehicle fire laser weapons could become operational in the coming years. The StrykerX Demonstrator is also armed with an upgradable 30mm cannon, which can use a proximity fuse and fire high explosive rounds, armor-piercing rounds, and airburst rounds. Also, while the 12.7mm is often used as a suppressive fire area weapon designed to restrict enemy freedom of movement and allow troops to maneuver, the 30mm gun brings a level of precision fire to the Stryker that is currently unthinkable. Common interfaces and interoperable technical standards may also allow Stryker developers to add new or upgraded weapons configurations to the platform, such as new anti-air missiles currently used in the Short-Range Air Defense Program, SRAT, as the program is called, currently fires Stingers and Hellfire missiles against mid to lower tier air threats from the Stryker vehicle, introducing an ability to track and destroy enemy drones, helicopters, and even some low-flying fixed-wing planes. The new military vehicle features a hybrid electric engine that provides soldiers with longer silent watch capability. According to military officers, the Stryker-X was developed in an attempt to put cutting-edge technologies into the US Army's fleet of armor vehicles. The new vehicle now allows the driver and the commander to sit side by side in a cockpit arrangement, having their own displays in front so they can function better. It has more room in the back for an infantry squad, and it can connect all personnel inside with the vehicle sensors.